No, it's not up for discussion. You control my life, I feel like a fucking puppet. Keep telling me to shut it. Okay baby, alright. I remember nights we were dancing in the